everyone. How are you all? Happy winters. How do we feel during the winter season? We feel cold. And in winter season, days are short and the nights are long. And what do we wear during the winter season? We wear woolen garments to keep ourselves warm. And today we are going to do an interesting activity related to winter season. Today we are going to make a snowman card. So what do we require to make this card? We require Fevicol, pencil, a pair of scissors, bindi, some cotton, okay, and two circular shaped objects, one big and one small. And we require three different colored sheets also, like this, okay. So let us start making the snowman card. First of all, what we are going to do, we are going to take a colorful page like this and then we are going to fold it into two like this. Then we are going to take two circular shaped objects, one big circle and one small circle. We will put like this and we are going to draw outline of this outside using a pencil and see how it is going to look. Now it will look like this. Now what we are going to do, in the smaller circle, we are going to add some Fevicol. Okay. We are going to apply some Fevicol this side and after this, it will look like this. Now in this part, we are going to add some cotton. Let me add some cotton. We are going to paste some cotton here. In this manner, you can see. Okay, all over the surface. Okay. And in the lower side circle also we are going to do the same thing. And now this is ready. Now what our snowman needs? Our snowman has two eyes. So we are going to use bindi for the eyes. We are going to paste bindi here for the eyes. One and the second one. It's two. So these are the two eyes of our snowman. Now we need nose of our snowman. For this we are going to cut colorful page into triangular shape and we are going to paste the nose like this. This is a triangular shape paper and this is the nose of our snowman. Now what we are going to do is, our snowman needs a scarf to wear. So we are going to take a strip, yes, and fold it like this. In this way I have folded it and we will paste it here like this in the front part. Okay, see, I take this and I paste it here in the front. Okay, now one more strip like this. This is one more strip. I will add some Fevicol and I will paste this strip here. Now something is missing. Our snowman also needs a hat. So this is snowman's hat, which we have cut using black sheet. And now in this tilted manner I will paste hat of the snowman. Okay, so now our snowman card is ready and it is looking so beautiful. After this, what you can do is, after making this card, you can give this card to our community helpers like the policemen, farmers, teachers and doctors, and also to your parents. And what you are going to write inside this card, one side you can write happy winters and one side you can write thank you to all our community helpers. Okay, so you enjoyed making this card? Thank you.